Baking cupcakes ahead of time is a great alternative to save you time. But can you freeze cupcakes? Sure, this simple hack will save you stress and hassle in the kitchen. Can you freeze unfrosted cupcakes? Yes, unfrosted cupcakes can be frozen. It only takes a few simple steps, and when done right, you won't be able to tell that your cupcakes were ever frozen. How to properly freeze unfrosted cupcakes. After baking, allow the cupcakes to fully cool on a wire rack for at least 1 hour before freezing. Placing warm cupcakes in the freezer can cause them to have a sticky top. You can also leave your cupcakes at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 2 days before freezing. Once you are ready to freeze your cupcakes, wrap each individual one in plastic wrap, covering them entirely. This will help cut down on freezer burn. If you prefer, you may also wrap all your cupcakes together in plastic wrap. Though this may not be quite as effective as wrapping them individually, it will still reduce the chance of freezer burn. Once your cupcakes are wrapped, place them in an airtight container or large Ziploc bag. After your cupcakes are wrapped and covered, place them level in the freezer. You don't want to risk accidentally squishing them. How long do cupcakes last in the freezer? If your cupcakes are properly stored, they can last in the freezer for 3 to 6 months. Any longer, and they may start to lose their flavor and texture. When you are ready to serve your cupcakes, remove them from the freezer and let them thaw. You can let them thaw at room temperature for about 2 hours or in your fridge overnight. To prevent condensation from forming on them, keep them in their covering while defrosting. Once your cupcakes are at room temperature, you can go ahead and frost them. Cupcakes frosted with buttercream can be kept at room temperature for up to 2 days or in the fridge for a week. Be sure to store frosted cupcakes in an airtight container. Freezing cupcakes with frosting. Many bakers agree that it's best to store cupcakes in the freezer without frosting. However, you still can freeze them with frosting. To freeze your frosted cupcakes, allow them to sit in the freezer for at least 1 hour uncovered. This will allow the frosting to freeze, so when you cover it, it will not smear. After the hour is up, carefully wrap each cupcake with plastic wrap, and then place them in an airtight container. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.